What's up, investors? Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's go over some stocks. Let's start off with QQQ. If you look at Qs, it is passing over that 100 and 200 EMA right here, zooming in, testing a critical level at $700 per share. We made some purchases down here a few days ago around 660 and 670, so it is nice to see this growing exponentially right here. I also want you to pay attention to a few other stocks. Let's get into it. First, let's take a look at Microsoft blasting through its 100 and 200 EMA up all the way to 487, going to the moon. We called that out last week. Taking a look at Amazon stock, it's the same exact thing, blasting through that 250 resistance all the way up to 284. Now, another stock that I think you really should be paying attention to is PLTR. PLTR is $142 in the after hours. I'll show you on Webull, but it has broken through its EMAs. When you look at the one-year chart, this is very impressive. The fact that it's above $142, we can start to look for upside to $160 per share. Now, I want to talk about Apple as well, and then we'll go to the Webull charts, but Apple has pulled back, which is healthy, 344, breaking EMAs. We are waiting for a retest down to 296. The level we want is $290 per share. I'll break that down in further detail for you. Let's get into it. If you were on my live stream earlier, you would have seen that I just made $800 on PLTR. It has blasted to the absolute moon from 125, blasting up to 142. What's more impressive about this is PLTR has been down from 207 all the way to $104. So congrats to you Palantirians that have been buying this dip. Right now, this is the wedge that I've been looking at that we are in. I want to see if we're going to continue to go up or are we going to have some resistance here. Looking at this blast up here, up to $142, as you zoom out on the 6-month chart, you are now above rejection points, which was at $137 per share. I expect this number to get retested tomorrow. I will be buying that dip in hopes to make another $800 to $1,000. Watching this level, please pay attention to PLTR right here. If you zoom in on Apple stock right here, Apple is making lower highs. It just double bottomed at 302. This is something you need to pay attention to. Watch this level. Are we going to consolidate up and push back up into resistance at 312, or are we going to retest 300 and then move back to our level that we've been discussing in the WAP? Let's go down to $290 per share. That would be absolutely beautiful. I just want to mention Mickey D's. For all you Mickey D's lovers getting fast food more in the morning for breakfast, it has been on a downtrend, $339 down to $265. We're going to have to do a deep analysis on this. If you want me to, leave a comment section below. I will make a deep dive analysis into McDonald's. And I would pay attention to this level. If we start pulling back a little more to break 260, I want to see if we pull to $255 per share. That is a level that I will be paying attention to. Also, tomorrow we have SpaceX earnings in the after hours. Something tells me we are going to the absolute moon, but let's see here, $225 per share. They have a monopoly in space, down 50% on the year. We're going to get some clarity with this earnings report. Tell me what your comments section below. Tell me what you think. What is SpaceX going to do? Are we going to break above this 119 and then start moving higher into 135? Or are we going to be in some trouble here? Another stock that you need to pay attention to is Meta. Meta has broken above its previous resistance level at $560 per share. It is now retesting up to $600. This is something you should pay attention to. Resistance is around $630 per share. Now, if you look at Microsoft, I just want to talk about them real quick. Microsoft broke through. It is clearly bullish here. Look at this. Blast up from 392 up to 400, pull back up to 456, pull back, breaking resistance at 465. Look for entries around $465 per share. I would be paying attention to that level. If you're looking to join the WAP family, look no further. Go in the description below this video, click on the WAP link. When you do this, you click access to the live community. You gain access to directly chat with us. You can also go through the day trading strategy, the complete blueprint from beginner to strategy. You can also get Jay Young's educational options plays, where he goes down his market structure and his options that he's looking at. You can definitely get access to the chat, where you can directly chat with me 24/7 and gain access to the live streams every Wednesday and every Saturday or Sunday, and also surprise ones during the week as well. So definitely be sure to check this out in the WAP. We're here for you guys. Educational stock ideas, swing trade ideas, weekly stock levels, all here for you, and the 24/7 direct chat. I'll see you guys within the WAP.